Right shield.
No! Right shield still on the left side. Left building, left building.
Left side of the right side of the field now. Oh! Did I clip him? Woo! That was close. Where'd that guy go? Moving. Move it. Can anybody get an angle on that right shield?
I'm thinking where that guy's sitting at.
Which
See where
right
our
shield?
right shield's at? Where it says devil?
Yeah.
I think right there is an angle.
Wesley!
But it's hard to get there.
Wesley! What's the deal on the left side?
There, guys, there.
Yes, right there. What's going on left side?
The guy in the building in front of the 32.
Oh. I'm moving up the devil. Hey. Let's go. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
That's what?
Nothing. Not you guys. We were running up the devil and the guy popped out.
Kentucky windage.
Ooh. Watch it.
There's a couple guys behind the color boundary. What should I do here? Up.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, watch the right side here.
You hear their guns going off.
Huh?
I don't.
Where'd it move to?
What, the right shield?
Yeah.
Right here in the front side.
No.
Yeah, to our left center.
The other side. The other guys. I thought that was ours.
The white shield?
The white shield's there. He's
Oh.
in devil.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, got it.
It's a nice 1-7, you got that.
Thank you. Redneck. But, hey, it stops it from getting shot, so I don't care.
Oh, mate. I should probably move.
Oh, no.
Okay, we have way too many people.
Yeah.
Hey, no, cover.
Whoa!
Someone cover me up to the little devil. We got a right
Hey.
shield in there.
Okay.
Hold on! Hey! Right shield and devil. One guy moved up on you. Hey, I'm going. Woo! Oh, shoot. I didn't see that guy. Watch it. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang. That sun's blocking my view.